visual assessment was conducted last March 4, 2026 at Nabwa Central Pilot School. This assessment was conducted for a purpose. It is to observe the difficulties of these learners, to implement the strategies that will be used to accommodate the needs of these learners, and to also learn from the difficulties of these learners. So for us to know who are these learners, what are the challenges they have faced, and what are the strategies that the students have used for this assessment, is that we will know this by the two presenters who will present first the presentation. So may I call on Ms. Tyra Angela Bermas and Ms. Mary Grace to present the visual assessment.
Learners profile. First learner is Ryan J. M. Tasco, age 14, who is diagnosed with intellectual disability. Nagsimula siya mag-aral is 6 years old, and until now nag-aaral siya with 14 years old. Favorite niya is drawing, rides, and coloring.
Next, second learners, Jeffrey G. Santa Cruz, 28 years old. Diagnosed with cerebral palsy. Favorite niya pong gawin is mag-basketball, drawing, at hindi po siya nakakapagsalita. At 10 years din na po siya nag-aaral sa Central Pilot School.
After the discussion of the learner's profile, let's come now to the anticipation phase, wherein we observe Ma'am Romana to finish her lesson before we conduct our assessment.
We assess the learners with intellectual disability and cerebral palsy. So, si Jeffrey, dahil nga sa hirap siya makipag-communicate, more on sign lang siya, tinuturo ni Ma'am ang kanyang lesson based rin sa kanyang pagsasign at unti-unting pag-discuss. Same as kay Jeffrey, dahil meron na siyang difficulty sa learning, is unti-unti rin siyang tinuturuan, pinagsasign, at ginag-guide sila sa bawat activities na kanilang lesson.
Ryan J. is a sweet and loving student to Ma'am Romana. We observe it while she is assessing them with her strategy on teaching them.
Same as Jeffrey, dahil sa kanyang conditions, is hindi hadlang ang pag-aaral, he always smiles at her peers at friends niya rin, BFF, I mean si Ryan J. They are very close and joyful. Lagi silang nagtutulungan. Tuwing nahihirapan si Jeffrey sa paglalakad, lagi siya tinutulungan ni Ryan J.
Si Ryan J. is nag-aaral siya with almost 9 years in NCSP, and Jeffrey is 10 years in NCSP.
We will now proceed to the classroom reality. The learner that I have accommodated in this school is Jeffrey Santa Cruz. This learner has a cerebral palsy, and the challenges that we have observed from his action while making the assessment or making the art is that he cannot focus, or he cannot put his hand in a steady way into the art that he is making. So, because of that learning difficulty, I have used a strategy that is called task analysis, or chunking of the task. This means that the task is being broken into smaller steps so that he can adapt to the situation he is experiencing.
So one thing I noticed about Ryan is highly participative, though he might use so one thing na napansin mo kay Ryan is madali siyang mag-discuss ng mga bagay-bagay like yung second. kapag may napila siyang mag-cellphone, lagi siya nag-distracted. So, yung pinaka-strategy niya na isipan nila is ilagay yung mga selfie, yung mga bagay na nagpo-cause ng distraction sa bata para makapag-focus yung bata sa ginagawa ng So, the second thing na napansin ko sa bata is non-verbal siya. Mahilig siyang gumamit ng mga keywords like yung and to communicate with other people. And also, to communicate with me, he uses those words para ma-express niya yung thoughts and ideas na gusto niya isabi sa akin. And para ma-address yung mga problema na kinaharap. Ito ang nakapasok sa akin. Para ma-address yung mga problema na kinaharap ng bata, we use different qualities and different techniques to accommodate the needs of the child, Brian. So in this case, we will use task analysis by chunking those tasks into smaller steps para masundan ng bata and para magawa niya yung activity one by one at a time.
And next, evidence of truth. And we have building friendship, working together, and better communication of evidence of truth.
Gumawa kami ng assessment at nagawa naman nila ng maayos yung assessment na pinapagawa namin. At yung assessment ay nagawa nila ng maayos at na-drawing na nakulayan nila ng maayos.